Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your credit card info with Discover, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your credit card info with Discover, start by visiting the Discover website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you've forgotten your login information, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services tab on the dashboard. Select Manage Credit Card Info from the drop-down menu. You will see options for updating your billing address. Choose the option that corresponds to the information you want to reset. Enter the new information in the designated fields. Double-check for any errors before proceeding. After confirming the changes, click on the Save or Update button. A confirmation message should appear indicating the changes were successful. If you wish to reset your card number, contact Discover customer service directly. Provide necessary identification details to verify your account. Request the card number reset and follow any further instructions provided by the representative. Check your email for notifications regarding your account changes. Review your account to ensure all updated information is correct. You are now ready to use your Discover card with the new information. For more detailed assistance, consult Discover's online support and FAQs. By following these steps, you can easily reset your credit card info with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.